Hey, what up guys? So today we're going to be washing this Caterpillar truck right here and that semi, but today I'm just going to record this one because it's the dirtiest one and it's going to make a good video, so I hope y'all enjoy. And I'm recording with a different camera right now that I'm promoting for TikTok, so if y'all want one, go to my TikTok, and it's a pretty good price. You want to start your own YouTube, it's a 4K camera, so damn, it looks like it's been welded recently. I gotta check the orange card down below my TikTok. So let's get started. Look how dirty it is, guys. He wants a full wash, like everything clean, man. Look how dirty it is, guys. Dang. So yeah, let's start off with spraying some degreaser. I need money. Let's get back to work. Every time you get stuck, it's right about where you like it. Literally right where you need it. Man, just keep coming. Got all over the truck. So I guess let's go check the Peterbilt out. Bye. Back then when I first started, it took me all day just to finish both these trucks, and I did these things in like 2 hours. Thanks for watching. Click that like, subscribe. If y'all want more truck wash videos, let me know. If not, it's alright. Let me know if you want more dump truck videos, and get back to doing those, man. Just don't have time to edit that much no more. So I'm also focusing more on TikTok, man. I started making money on there too. With this camera I'm recording with right now, I'm promoting it for them. So go to my TikTok, guys. If you like this camera, the good quality, instead of buying the newer, more expensive cameras like $600, man, buy this. I think it's like $60 right now. So yeah, guys, go to my one of my latest videos on TikTok, and you'll find it in the link on this card down below. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.